Hello and welcome to our celebration assembly. And that's what it is. We're celebrating great home learning. I'd like to sit down with an adult who's been helping with your home learning or your brothers and sisters, and let's celebrate together. I've been looking at the work you've uploaded onto your classroom platforms, and my goodness, you have been brilliant. Wonderful writing, brilliant maths, there's spelling, guided reading work, history, geography, wealth of things you've been learning. Well done. Really, really proud of each and every one of you, and you should be too. Now, a few weeks ago, I set you a challenge, and I wanted you to think about your learning and think about the learning values, the powers you use when you are completing your learning. And I went on the platform this morning and I looked at all those that have been returned. My goodness, you have been really reflective on your learning and you have been using your powers. So I've got my golden book here, and what I'm going to do is read out the children's names from the returned forms. When you hear your name, I want you to stand up. So in reception we have Daniel, Sophie and Harry. Stand up. In 1J, Phoebe, William, May and Geordie. 1C, Harper, Harrison, Toby, Fern, Daniel, Oliver, Emily. And in 1V, Gus, Phoebe, Lucy, Dominic, Matilda and Isabel. In Year 2, 2M, Naima, Sia, Tiana, Finley, Molly Rose, Zian, Nicole and Millen. 2W, O'Shea, Bobby, Abigail, Henrietta and Blake. 3LM, Spencer, Oliver, Anaya, Poppy P, Scarlett, Hunter, Christopher, Poppy B, Noah and Naya. 3M, Miles, Gracie, Lucas, Jessica, Kezia and Oliver. In Year 4, Sophie, Zach, Carell, Chloe, Kitty, Amber, Jessica and Philip. In Year 5, 5C, Ella, Hercus, Deanna, Anya and Logan and Jonas. And 5A, Arabella, Sanea, Charlie and Evie. And some more in Year 5, Isabel, Finn, Logan and Xanthi. Year 6, Zana, Lucas, Ethan, Georgia, Izzy, Jess, Daniel, Emily and Stephen. Hopefully you're all standing up. Now those were the forms that I saw returned. For others, you may not have uploaded your sheet, so I'd like you to stand up as well. If over the past few weeks you feel you have been a reflective ranger, a resilient ranger, Captain Challenge and Captain Collaborate, stand up now. And let's give each and every one of you a big, big clap. Well done. And if you've got your adult there or brothers and sisters, give them a big high five. You've done brilliantly. You should feel very proud of all you've achieved with your home learning over these past few weeks. We're proud of you, your teachers are. We've been really thrilled with all you've seen. Well done. Now is the time to have a break. It's half term, so switch off, walk away from those screens and make sure you spend time with your family doing things that make you smile, that make you laugh. Have a really great time together. We look forward to having you back on Monday the 22nd of February, back with your home learning on the online platform, and hopefully the government will give us a directive soon and we'll have you all back really soon. We really do miss all of you and we want you back in school as soon as possible. But well done with the home learning and carry on with that after half term. Have a really good half term, enjoy yourselves, stay safe, we miss you all. Best wishes.